My name is Mark Bolick, and I'm president and owner of the Fitch Company. Fitch Company is an electrical and controls engineering company focused on projects in the industrial space, providing complete project execution, including electrical design, software integration, and control system supply. Projects can be completed from conceptual design through commissioning with system support as needed following the commissioning. Our industries are pulp and paper, natural gas distribution, food and beverage, power generation, water and wastewater, and facilities engineering with plans to expand into life sciences. We offer turnkey custom control systems in retrofit and greenfield installations, as well as electrical and controls engineering services for plants on an as-needed basis. Ability to adapt to the unique processes and varied industries, to become an integral member of the plant process control and engineering team. We're formalizing the plant PAX process discipline and capability and expanding into the information discipline capability. With our Rockwell relationship, we can stay current with Rockwell's vision for future, current, and legacy products, which allows us to assist our customers with strategic decisions. We've been a Rockwell system integrator for decades and are familiar with the entire control family, including the legacy products.